Dunk your head. And your foot. You got your foot in there? You got your foot in the water? What are you doing, Diego? Hiding? Ooh, dip your feet. Dip your feet. Dip your little feetsies. Yep, there's your foot in there. Diego wants more up here. Look at him.